Hi, I'm Torch the Adjacent Prepper. Just wanted to do a quick follow-up video about storing beans in buckets. In terms of how you should actually eat these things once they come out, what I highly recommend doing, and this can be my breakfast for the next week, is get some corn tortillas, boil the black beans all at once. To that we are going to add some salsa, it's canned out of the garden. And we're also going to add a little bit of that chard, which needs to be watered because it's a really hot day. And there you go, you got breakfast tacos. Pretty easy to do, pretty tasty, pretty cheap, and most of the ingredients you can store or grow yourself pretty easy.